Unleashing politeness. Mastering can I in English conversations. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting lesson in our Conversational English series. Today, we're diving into the heart of English politeness, making offers using can I. The focus will be on practice through role-play scenarios. Let's master the art of making polite and effective offers. When we make an offer in English, we often use the phrase, can I? This is a polite and informal way to offer help or services. For example, can I help you with those bags? Here, the speaker is offering to help the listener with their bags. Note how the phrase, can I, makes the offer sound more polite and less demanding. There are many situations where can I can be used to make offers. Here are a few examples. Offering help. Can I help you with your homework? Offering items. Can I get you a drink? Offering advice. Can I suggest a great book on this topic? These examples illustrate different contexts where can I can be effectively used to make offers. Now, let's delve into some role-play scenarios. These scenarios will help you practice using can I in real-life situations. Scenario 1. In a restaurant. Person A, waiter. Good evening, can I take your order? Person B, customer. Sure. I will have the steak, please. Scenario 2. At work. Person A, colleague. I see you're swamped with work. Can I assist you with the report? Person B, colleague. That would be really helpful, thank you. Scenario 3. In a bookstore. Person A, store clerk. Can I recommend a book to you? It's just arrived and it's a bestseller. Person B, customer. Oh, that sounds interesting. I would love that. And that wraps up our lesson on making offers using can I. Practicing these role-play scenarios will really help you master this important aspect of conversational English. Remember, the key is to practice, practice, and practice some more. Thank you for tuning in today, and as always, happy learning. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.